Hi everyone. I have been making cookies all yesterday and all day today. So I wanted to hop on here to show you an easy dinner that I find if you're going to entertain, or you have people coming over like spur of the moment, or you just don't feel like cooking because you've done cookies all day like I have, then I want you to pay attention. This is a carver ham. There's no bone, and this was 12 bucks at Sam's Club. I threw the package away. They are delicious. This is a Maker's Members Mark, whatever their brand is. I had one, I used a small one for Thanksgiving, and I'm using one today. The reason for this video is to show you I'm going to do everything in that oven and not have to do a thing once I put everything in the oven. I'm going to make a quick glaze that I'm going to put on that ham. It's really one pot. You know how I like one pot meals. I have no strength. So I want a little maple syrup, maybe, I don't know, 3 tablespoons, and some spicy mustard. And then this ham is going to make its own juice all around that whole thing as soon as I get the mustard out. A little bit of mustard and maple on top of the ham. You could put whatever glaze you like. It could be honey, so I don't know, anything you want. Black pepper would be good. I'm not going to do too much because I have my grandson here and I want him to be able to eat it too. And I'm just going to pour this on the ham and let it do its thing. It's going to make a juice. I'm going to cover it. My hope was, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to, I don't know, we're going to find out right now. My hope was, this is a Temptations dish. It comes in a wire rack, so that when you take it out of the oven, you put it right in the rack. And then this is called a lid it, and it sits on it, and that's what I'm going to do. It sits right on it, and then watch this. I have 4 baked potatoes. I mean, I love Temptations. I'm not selling. They didn't give me anything for this video. I'm not making this up, guys, a can of baked beans. And when I tell you one oven meals are my jam, I'm not joking. Now, you could doctor these up if you want to. You don't have to, and I'm not going to today. And then this has a lid. And I'm not done there. I mean, obviously, I'm going to stack it in the oven this way. And a can of corn, and I can't add butter in my corn. You can't even see this. I can't add butter in my corn because Dave doesn't eat butter, but Tommy does and River does. So we butter it at the end and put the lid on that. And then I'll make these crescent rolls, Members Mark. And this is going to go in a 350-degree oven. These 2 things I'll put in the last, 20 minutes, half hour when I cook this crescent rolls. But these are going on right now. So I am just trying to give you some holiday ideas. This you could totally entertain with. You wouldn't believe this, but I can't put it in the oven because the oven racks are in cookie position. You could entertain with this meal. The carver ham is that good, and it's this easy. So you could do a baked potato bar, baked beans, corn, and the reason I did canned corn is because I know that's what they like tonight. But you could do any vegetables. You could do carrots. I mean, coleslaw on the side of this would be wonderful as a cold salad. I have pickled beets still that I made, so I'm probably going to have a couple beets. But it's easy, and I need easy. I have made cookies all day yesterday, and then I started at 6:30 this morning, and then I just had my 4-year-old grandson help decorate. He just made a bell, and he wants to eat this when he wakes up. This is his sugar cookie that he made. We had a lot of fun. He just looked up and goes, "I love you," and it just made my whole day. So, about the cookie videos, they're terrible. I have them all. I haven't uploaded any of them. I'm probably going to. I have to bring them to YouTube first, and then I have to do them one by one, hoping my phone doesn't melt because it gets boiling hot, to Facebook. And now my Facebook, when I post to Facebook, things aren't going to Instagram. It's a mess. But the cookie videos, it's hard to do a cookie video. It's harder than, this is a ham dinner, no-brainer. Put the ham in, put the lid on it, and this will go down. And then 4 baked potatoes, baked beans, and corn. Everything, and then crescent rolls. So they're all going to cook in the oven. Dinner is done. I don't have to do a thing. So that's why I hopped on here, was to show you a dinner in less than 5 minutes. I'll cook the ham and the potatoes like about an hour until the ham is hot through. and then I'll take the ham out, and I'll probably make a ham gravy with the drippings because it'll make a lot of drippings. A lot of liquid comes out of that ham. And then I'll keep the potatoes in there warm until we eat dinner. So does this help you at all? I'm gonna have ham. I don't have the corn. I'm gonna have some ham, some beans, and some, I think beets. I have some pickled beets I want. Maybe a piece of potato if I have room. We'll see. But that's really where I'm at. Cookies are coming. This is my cookie apron. Calories do count though. But thanks for that, and I hope this helps. Love you guys.